Hi guys, this is Irfan here from smartincubator.com and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna do a little bit of backtest with you guys because today is Saturday. I don't have anything to break down for you because the market was closed this morning, but I want to do a backtest since Monday. I want to start from Monday, March 14th, all the way to March 18th, the whole week. So this is going to be very, very interesting, and I'm not going to backtest the whole thing, the entire session. No, only New York session opening. It means 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is 6 in the morning my time, and I'm gonna break it down for you. I'm gonna show you what happened exactly, what I could do, because I can't remember what trades I took, so I'm going to backtest it live in front of you and show you exactly what happened last week, which was absolutely insane. For GBPUSD, I'm not gonna take it super long and go for EURUSD as well. I'm gonna stick with GBPUSD and show you exactly what happened. So as you can see, I'm on my FX book right now. I called the Incubator on our brand new account. Today, the last trade that I took was March 18th, Friday. Yesterday, we are up 31% in profit on a $1,000 account and $300 in profit. So this is my VPS, and these are the trades that it took since the beginning, like March 7th. This is when we exactly started this brand new account, and all the way to March 18th. These are the trades that it took in the past week, and in overall we are up $311. So you can try Gold Incubator for 7 days for free. You just need to check out smartincubator.com, grab your license, and we'll manually activate your account. Okay, so I'm doing a replay for you, and I'm in March 14th, 6 a.m. but I'm gonna start with 8 in the morning to show you exactly what happened. Okay, so as you can I'm going to go for 8 in the morning. This is 7 a.m. So right here, before I go further, I can identify all my support and resistance levels, and I would say all the liquidity grabs. So it means that we have so much liquidity around this area, so much liquidity around this area, and this liquidity is already grabbed by these candles here. So I know that we have a few breakout structures towards downside on a 5-minute time frame. But if I switch my time frame to 15-minute time frame, we still have a bearish trend because of these lower lows and lower highs. But even on 15-minute time frame, I can identify all high probability order blocks that we have. So for example, one of them is this one here, and I can't see anything else. This one is tapped into, yeah, this one is already tapped into. Okay, so we have a high probability order block right here, so we can say that it's kind of the target. So the price is probably trying to reach this level, and then it gives us a bullish momentum. We don't know, but what we know right now is the breakout structure that we have from here all the way to here. And as you can see, our golden zone has been tested, and also we have a bearish engulfing candle. So even right here, if I take my trade from here to here, I just want to see, I don't know what's going to happen, guys. I'm literally backtesting it in front of you live. I didn't get prepared before I make this video, so I'm just saying that what could happen. So okay, as you can see, it was a profitable trade. The reason is that, as I told you, we have a bearish trend, we have a few breakout structures, so it means that we have a bearish trend, and also we gotta see where the drop started from. So it started from here. See, it started from here. The price dropped a little bit, and then we had a correction, and then it dropped, and we have a few breakout structure after this. So now we gotta find the origin of this movement. So let me just do it back. Okay, I'm gonna undo it, and then you see that it started from here, and the correction has started exactly here. So this is our zero level, and the price went up, rejected the golden zone, bearish engulfing candle, and as you can see, it was a profitable trade all the way to here. So this was a profitable trade, and then I'm going to remove everything. Now we have a valid high probability order block around this area. So we got to see how it's gonna give us a momentum. See, look at this, guys. So I'm going to take my position. Let's say I took it here. I'm going to put my stop loss here. I'm going to put my TP right here. Okay, so it's gonna be a little bit risky. The reason is that we have a bearish trend, but it's kind of too late to get it. But let's see what happens. Oh yeah, TP is smashed, so it was a really good one, but you could also take it right here and put your stop loss here. This was also a really good one, because this is a really good momentum, guys. This one is a really good momentum. So I could also take it right here and put my stop loss here. It would be a great risk to reward ratio trade, but Let's say that you want to be super conservative, you don't want to take it here, you want to take it somewhere around here because you have a strong bullish engulfing candle and you put your stop loss here, but I don't really recommend to put it below the candle. You should always put it below the zone. So because you're safer and you give it more room. And let's say from here to here is 16 pip stop loss, which is not bad, but this is way better. See, from here to here, it's a 10 pip stop loss. I love 10 pip stop losses. And it's just going up. I can also leave a runner all the way to here. As you can see, the TP is smashed because, as I said, we have so much liquidity around this area, and when the price tapped into this level, you could assume that the price want to shoot up to stop out all these sellers who, you know, took their sell position here and put their stop loss here. So that was a great trade. So this is for March 14th, guys. Let's get into March 15th. Okay, before I go to March 15th, guys, let me show you something, because right now it's 8:30 in the morning, which is 6:30 my time. And if I switch my time frame to 15-minute time frame, so this one is not valid anymore, but we have this liquidity here, and we have a high probability order block exactly from here to here. I'm gonna take 2 candles, okay, and we have a huge, you know, candle toward the upside, breakout structure. So now I just wait for confirmation, for correction, and it started literally from here all the way to here. So we also have our golden zone around this area. So I'm going to switch my time frame to 5 minutes to see where the correction wants to, you know, end. And as you can see, it literally went up, and see, this is our golden zone that is circled, and we have a bullish engulfing candle here. But there are some things that I need to pay attention to. When you have a high probability order block here, and also you notice that your Fibonacci level is getting respected, I would say go for the Fibonacci. I'm not saying, you know, in my opinion, order blocks are stronger, but sometimes Fibonacci works and it doesn't tap into the order block, but just reduce your risk. So, for example, if I take my position right here and put my stop loss around this area, and if I want to take a one-to-one trade, let's see what happens. Okay, my TP is smashed. See, as you can see, it didn't tap into the golden zone, sorry, the order block. It literally respected the Fibonacci level, and then after that, it just tapped into my TP. It was a one-to-one trade. So I could also leave a runner here, but I always leave a runner when my first TP is smashed, and I leave the second one, you know, as a runner, and I move the stop loss to the break even. So whenever the price wants to tap into my, you know, entry, it's just a risk-free trade. As you can see, it was a one-to-one trade, and after that it never tapped into this level. So, and then I could have got a stopped out if I wanted to leave a runner, and it literally, I think it tapped into our golden zone, sorry, our high probability order block. And this is a risky one because we still have so much room here. The price probably comes all the way to here, and then I can take myself buy position. But because of these 2 candles, and I believe it kind of tap into, but I'm not sure. Okay, as you can see, as I said, it was risky because it's not accurately touching this order block, and we still have so much space. So let's see whether it's going to respect our golden zone or not. Okay, so as you can see, okay, no, it broke below this level, so it's not a high probability order block anymore. It's invalid. Even if I wanted to draw it from here, you could also see that it literally broke below this level, which was, you know, absolutely invalid. So right now, so yeah, that's it. So it means that as you saw right here, we took our buy position based on our Fibonacci level from here all the way to here. And look at this, it literally tapped into this level, which is our golden zone, and then boom, it's a one-to-one trade, which was a beautiful one. You could take it from here, put your stop loss here and your TP here. It's a almost one-to-one trade, guys, which was really, really good. Okay, yep, this is a really good one, but unfortunately this one didn't work, so it broke below this level, which makes it invalid. And now we're gonna move on to the next day. Okay, so we are in March 15th right now, and I'm going to identify the trend of the market, and also I want to identify all high probability and low probability order blocks that we have. So the first thing I notice on a 15-minute time frame is this high probability demand zone here, just because we have a huge spike towards the upside, and then the next candle never tapped into this zone, and this is the last bearish candle that we have. So it means that there is a space in between, and it makes this block a high probability order block, or I would say a high probability demand zone. And also the second one is this one, which is already tapped into because we take last 2 candles, and as you can see, it already tapped into, so it doesn't count. So this is the first thing I saw, and I noticed this Oh no, this is not a high probability order block, guys. Okay, so we have few breakout structures, one breakout structure here and one breakout structure here, which makes the trend an uptrend. See? So, and then I can literally use my Fibonacci from here all the way to here. And if I switch my time frame to 5-minute time frame, this is our golden zone. No, this is not good. Let me just, draw it like a human. Okay, this is our golden zone, and this is our high probability order block that we have here. And if I want to be super accurate, it's going to be from here to here. Okay, so now we'll see which one is going to get respected. So as you can see, none of them got respected, and we don't have a high probability order block here. Okay, so we just wait. Let's see what happens. Okay, so none of them got respected, guys. We have a consolidation here, and it's already 11:40 in the morning, which is outside of my trading hours. So if I see such a pattern, there are two reasons. Like, there are two scenarios in this case. I don't trade. I just switch my pair to EURUSD or to NAS 100, and then, or I just wait more. But I don't usually wait more, because I always trade from 8 in the morning to 10 in the morning, and if anything happens after that, I'm not behind the charts. So in this case, I definitely switch my time frame, my pair to EURUSD or NAS 100, or I just don't trade that day. But yeah, it's usually a profitable trade on EURUSD when I switch my pair. Okay, so right here we don't have a high probability order block, but this one is a high probability order block. So I'm going to change the color again to yellow, so you don't get it mistaken by golden zone or anything. And we have liquidity grab here, so all these sellers got stopped out. So we still need to wait for that. So let's see. Okay, so this one didn't get respected. This one didn't get respected, and this is our golden zone here. Our golden zone. Okay, so this is our golden zone, but you gotta double check. You gotta be careful with golden zone, guys. So as you know, it started from here. Now it ended right here. See, it literally broke below the golden zone, so it's not a golden zone anymore. But if it wanted to do a correction earlier, then it would have been a golden zone. So now in this case, we just wait for a high probability order block, and then we take our buy position. So let's see what happens right here. We still have this. Okay, now I'm going to double check again. I'm going to remove this, and then I'll see. Look at this. It literally tapped into our golden zone. So you can take your buy position here, put your stop loss here, and then I'm going to take it all the way to here. If you wanted to take a 1-to-1 trade, let's see what happens. Okay, so I have my stop loss here. Okay, I got it stopped out. Oh, it literally broke below this high probability order block, which made it invalid. So this was another loss trade that we had. I don't think that it took it this week, because the robot was trading on my behalf. I didn't manually trading up until Friday. So Friday was the only day I was trading manually. That's why I'm backtesting it in front of you and show you exactly how I would take my trades. But unfortunately, this was the last one. And if you pay attention, you see that we have a breakout structure exactly around this area. So again, we can use our Fibonacci level from here all the way to here, but it never tapped into our golden zone. So this was completely out of nowhere, and it just created an M pattern, and boom, it just broke below this level, which made everything invalid, which is absolutely crazy. And as I said, I don't even trade this time. It's 12:30. I never trade around this time, guys, because of this. As you can see, it always happens. It always happens around this time. This wasn't my time. As I said, I changed my time frame, or I changed my pair to kind of avoid this situation here. So this wasn't even my trading hour, but I'm just backtesting in front of you. So let's go to March 16th. Okay, this is March 16th, and the New York session just opened. And if I want to turn it on for you, see that the New York session just opened because of this color difference here. This is London session. This is New York session here. So let's see what happened here. Okay, so in this case, definitely, we have a few breakout structures towards the upside. We have a beautiful trend towards the upside, and now it's doing the correction. So the first thing I personally do is drawing my Fibonacci from here to here, from the bottom all the way to the top where it started, where it ended. And this is our golden zone, and this is our high probability order block here. and if I change my time frame to 50 minutes, then we also have this high probability order block here. Okay, so we'll see which one is going to get respected. I'm going to remove this. Okay, so here, look at this. It literally tapped into our golden zone, and then we have a bullish engulfing candle. What would you do in this scenario? Are you going to take your buy position here, or are you just waiting for the price to tap into your high probability demand zone? Which one would you do? As I said, you can take your buy position here, but you can just risk less. You know, you can just risk less money, and you can literally take it, or you can put your stop loss somewhere around here. But sometimes, in most cases, when you have a high probability demand zone or a supply zone, and also you have the golden zone, in most cases it goes towards the high probability order block. So in this case, I don't know what's going to happen. Okay, so I still didn't get stopped out. Okay, see, I got stopped out here, and then literally shout up. So even if I wanted to put my stop loss here, I still would have got stopped out. So see, like, you didn't make a mistake, everything was good, it was according to the trend, we had a golden zone, we took our trade based on our bullish engulfing candle here, and then our stop loss was in a really good place. But again, it literally broke below it, but it didn't close, it was a shadow, and then boom, shout up. You know, you should put it somewhere around here to be way more safer, but it literally shout up crazy. So this was our golden zone. So now we come down, and then we have this high probability order block here, and we have this one right here, and you could take your trade somewhere around here, put your stop loss here, and your TP around this area. See, it would tap your TP because we have a high probability order block here, although we have one here, but this is the closest one, and it got respected. We have this beautiful candle here. You could take your buy position, your stop loss here, and your TP here. You could also leave a runner all the way to here as well, but I don't know whether it's gonna tap into it or not, but I think it does, because look at this, another one, another high probability order block here, here, here. Okay, this one didn't get respected. This order block didn't get respected. This one did, and it kind of never tapped into this level, guys. Never. We have so much liquidity around this area that I could put my TP right here, but it never tapped into this level, and I don't know what and I got it stopped out. So that's why most of the times I take a 1-to-1 risk-reward ratio trade, or 1-to-3, 1-to-4, something like that. So if I take my position here and close it right here, it would be a 1-to-1 trade, which is absolutely good for me. And if I want to leave a runner, definitely the second trade, the stop loss is on break even, so it's a risk-free trade. I never leave a runner for the first trade, never. I never do that. 1-to-1, done. But this is the second one that is actually respecting, and again, another hammer candle here, that if you take your position here and put your stop loss here, because you have this liquidity right here, I don't know where it's going to get respected. It didn't get respected, and it broke below this candle as well, this zone. So these zones became invalid immediately. And it's just literally going, see, it has stopped out every single person, every single buyer here, and then it shot up. And it's not a high probability order block, guys, because the high probability order block is here, and it literally broke below this level, and then after that, boom, look at this. Now it went up, it grabbed the liquidity, and now it's coming down. And as I said, I'm not trading this time. It's 12:30, it's 2:30 p.m. I'm not trading around this time. I'm only trading right here. Let me show you where did I took my trade. Yeah, here. That I took my 1-to-1 trade, based on Fibonacci. That's all I take, guys. I'm not taking, like, you know, more than that. And here, as I said, we got stopped out because the stop loss was kind of tight. But right here, I don't trade it. It didn't respect anything. It was based on nothing, and we just basically ignored it. Okay, guys, as you can see, we are in March 17th, 7:50 in the morning. Okay, so it's actually 10 minutes before, you know, the London session opens, and we have this high probability order block here, but it actually doesn't count because we have two red candles, and this one, it tapped into this level, so I don't really count this one. Something crazy happened. Look at this. Boom. Yeah, I remember this day. that it literally went up like crazy. And we have this, if I look left, let me just change my time frame to 50 minutes. I think there's something on the left. We've got the liquidity here. We got the liquidity here, and also, no, we haven't got it yet, but it's a target. So we had our target right here, but we already got this liquidity here, and we have higher highs and higher lows. So the market is definitely a bullish market. And this is the high probability order block that we are talking about, which absolutely didn't get respected, and GBPUSD melted crazy. But something interesting happened after that. After it got all the liquidity here, it stopped out all the buyers. It went a little bit down, and it's trying to create, I remember this day, it's tried to create higher highs and higher lows. So this was a really good opportunity to use high probability order blocks and Fibonacci levels. So in this case, if I want to use my Fibonacci level, I need to wait for a break of a structure. So we have a break of a structure here, and it started from here. And if I want to use my Fibonacci, you'll see it kind of didn't respect the golden zone because it broke below this level. See, it broke below this level. It didn't get respected, but it just went up, you know, but we are not going to take the trade. And here, another break of a structure here, and then we got to wait for the correction. We start our Fibonacci level from here to here. You see that it respected this golden zone, and then the candle after that again respected this. Then you can probably take your buy position here and put your stop loss somewhere around here. And you can have 3 trades. You can close the first one here, second one here, third one here. It's totally up to you. But yeah, it literally went up, and you know, it went up crazy and tapped into the second TP, which is almost 1 to 3 risk reward ratio trade. It was a really good trade if you wanted to take it. Absolutely insane. And based on after that, it just created higher highs and higher lows and went up. And as you can see, it just keeps creating higher highs and higher lows and high probability order blocks right here. So this is another high probability order block that after that this candle tapped into it, but I've got to see which one is going to get respected. This one didn't get respected, so I just wait for this one. This one didn't get respected as well, and we have a break of a structure here too. We have this high probability order block. This is outside of my trading hours, guys, just to let you know, but I'm just backtesting in front of you to show you how you could take it if you're still trading. But it started from here all the way to here. It tapped into the golden zone. See, it tapped into the golden zone. You can take your sell position here and then close it here if you wanted to. Okay, it tapped into our TP. It was a 1-to-1 trade. Yeah, it literally tapped into our trade, and now it's consolidating. So that's what I'm saying. You got to be careful, guys. Use your Fibonacci level wisely after a break of a structure for sure, because we have a break of a structure towards downside. So that's why it has started from here all the way to here. The correction started. It respected this level. We have a bearish engulfing candle, and then I took my trade from here to here. It's a 1-to-1 trade, which was a good one. But we still have this high probability supply zone here after this consolidation. So we'll see. Okay, another break of a structure. See, break of a structure, break of a structure, high probability order block. It tapped into this level. You know, bullish engulfing candle. I personally would take it. I don't know whether I get stopped out or not. I put my stop loss below this level, and I'm going to take my TP to the next high probability order block. Boom! Look at this. Beautiful 1-to-5, 1-to-1.5 risk reward ratio trade. But you know, you could also take it all the way to here. I personally close it after this candle close. I'm not going to leave it on her. I usually don't do that when I have this high probability order block. And also we have this beautiful huge candle here, so I personally wouldn't do that. So this was another profitable trade that we have. We don't have any high probability order block, so we just use our Fibonacci one more time in 15-minute time frame, because it's cleaner from here to here. It starts from here and the zero goes on top, and it didn't respect our golden zone. See, it didn't respect our golden zone. Some people take their sell position here because they know that it didn't respect the golden zone, and they take their trade all the way to, I don't know, they take a 1-to-1 trade here. I personally don't do that, because I wait for this high probability order block to get tapped into, and then I take my trade. See, even this one could be profitable if I wanted to take a one-to-one trade, because the golden zone didn't get respected, so it means that it's changing the direction, and it did. Because of this bearish engulfing candle, if you take your trade here, put your stop loss here, you could take a one-to-one trade and then you're done. But after that, you see that it tapped into this level, and it probably gives you another one, which it did again. So in this case, you can take your trade here, put your stop loss here, and you can, I would say, leave a runner, take your first trade here and close, open another one, put your stop loss here, and then you can close it here. Let's see what happens. Okay, the first one smashed. Oh, sorry. Oh, I don't know why it removes the other one. Okay, so this is the first one that is smashed. The second one, I would move the stop loss to break even. So in this case, it would be a risk-free trade, right? But let's see what happens. In my opinion, it's just gonna go down to I don't know, stop out all these buyers here, but it would be a risk-free trade, so I would get it stopped out for sure. But something inside me is, oh yeah, if I wanted to leave my stop loss here, as I said, guys, be careful. If you take 2 trades, move the second stop loss to break even after your first TP smash, so it's a risk-free trade. And in this case, it happened because I took my first position here, I closed it here, I put my stop loss here, so it was a beautiful one-to-one trade. After that, if I wanted to move my second stop loss to break even, I would have get stopped out, and I did, see. And if I wanted to just leave it here, definitely it was a loss, so even I lose the first trade that I took. So another bullish engulfing candle, break of a structure, high probability demand zone. It didn't get respected because it's outside of my trading hours. And yeah, that's it for this one. And now it's Friday. So I hope you'd like this video, guys. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell. And if you really, got some value from this video, let me know, and I record more of these videos. And about smartyincubator.com, you know what to do. You can grab your license for Goldie Incubator, send us your account number, and then we'll manually activate your account. You can enjoy your profits for 7 days for free. If you have any question, drop your comment here. I'll personally get back to you. Thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next one.